Never experienced anything like this before. For me, it was a new experience.
Hardcore kind of thing, a little bit sexual as well.
I'm totally impressed, and when I saw this, I really wish to get this piece of art in my house. Even different culture, different language, art can be connected people's mind.
You know, a whole new visual experience in many ways, and thoroughly enjoyed it.
I'm amazed by the technique, I think, because I don't have any idea of how it makes.
Absolutely amazing. It was shocking. The colors and the movement and the 3D effect. It's really amazing which I saw, and I guess for a person who is create such thing like this, he's definitely a very passionate person.
I was like shocked because like I never saw anybody like playing with like paints like she did. You know, like I don't know how she got the idea like to put like liquid paint on like a speaker.
Kind of mixed emotions. You know, it was kind of all over the map. It's just very fluid, very graphic.
I think it's very beautiful. It's kind of inspiring, and it's just amazing how she plays with the liquids and the solids. So it's just something beautiful to recharge you whenever you have a hard day, and you know what I mean. To close the day seeing something beautiful is just like peaceful.
I was more interested in the technical side of it, how it was done, whether it was a scientific process, whether it was how much science or art, you know, where does the line blur, went into the creation of the colours, the creation of the shapes, the choosing of the colours and the materials that were with it, like were the crystals, were the ball bearings. So, and why it was this anti-gravitation. You know, obviously gravity was playing so much of a role in that particular demonstration.
Naoko, thank you very much. I mean, tonight, your talk, it was absolutely fantastic. So at the end of it, I mean, are you happy with what people are saying to you at your exhibition here?
Yeah, of course. Looks right. You know, so many people coming to me and talk, sign, photo, and wonderful work or many things. I'm very happy for that.
And tell me, how long did it take you to put together the sounds of Ikebana?
Almost 2 years. 1 year is very research oriented. I'm experimental, make a system, and also I'm also some point of view is a researcher because I'm a professor also, and then reading a paper, related paper also, and challenging, and failed, sometimes successful.
You know, when I look at a fine art, you kind of know what type of image you're going to get. With this, every movement was different. Every second was a different picture and a different graphic. So for me, it was an interesting what's going to happen next type of situation.
We don't know whether it was art or fashion. You know? What is the limit between art and fashion? Are we wearing art in our body right now, or it's still considered fashion with a beautiful texture and creativity on it?
Like Jackson Pollock, maybe splashing paint, like and filming it.
With music, everyone is making like not watching a movie, but making a story, right? Making their own print and imagination of how it's supposed to be. I'm a professional dancer, okay, and for me to create something, we create music and dancing. And in this, I can see also same to create kind of movement of photography together with music, okay, which is totally impressive.
Okay.
So I guess it's just wonderful.
I think that it's always been like this since like science had been like applied to fashion. I don't know if you remember Chalayan when they did like the kind of umbrella opening up on like the catwalk, and everybody was like, oh my god.
You know, the colors, I think with what's going on
the whole media, or not media so much as kind of electronics, graphics these days, and clothes becoming, more wearable with electronics built in, that kind of thing. Yeah, I think there's definitely a place to integrate.
Well, I'm a designer, so actually I enjoy whatever expression of art is, and the museums and the videos. I find it quite interesting because it's more common to see static images and not just a projection. So the music and the video, I really, really enjoyed it.
I find that far more demanding than static art. Because you can't just sort of pick up a sandwich and eat, you'll have missed something. I think it requires far more attention. And therefore it's to me it's closer towards, the sort of environment that you see in there. It's more like a movie, you have to sit there and pay attention because it's a performance, or it seems far more like a performance. I don't know to what extent it is a performance, but it's obviously art, and again, it's blurring a lot of lines in my view, which is interesting. And that's another level on which I think I was engaged, is it's because a different form of art.